Conditions related to the function of the heart. Conditions: palpitations, feeling for rapid heartbeat, skipping a beat, often harmless but may indicate a serious condition of the heart. Causes: stress, anxiety, then excessive exercise, caffeine consumption, fever, and pregnancy. Symptoms: quick and regular beating of heart, chest pain, fainting. Prevention: avoid stress and anxiety. Do regular exercise and avoid too much caffeine. Condition: cardiac arrest. This condition arises when the heart suddenly stops pumping blood in the body. When not treated in the time, it usually results in death. Causes: coronary artery disease is the most common cause. Congenital heart disease, use of drugs like cocaine and intense exercise. Symptoms: loss of consciousness, breathing stops or occurs abnormally, chest pain, shortness of breath, nausea. Preventions: avoid smoking, maintain a healthy weight. Heart attack. It occurs when a blood clot blocks the flow of the blood at the heart muscles. Without blood, there is no oxygen and thus tissues dies. It always the permanent damage to the heart muscles. However, the heart still pumps blood. The person is conscious and breathes. Causes: deposition of fat in inner walls of the coronary artery. It narrows them and reduces the blood flow. Discomforts, tightness or pain in the chest, choking feeling in the throat, heaviness in the arms, cold sweat, temporary change in vision. Quit smoking, do regular exercise, quit smoking, maintain an ideal weight, eat healthy diet. Hypertension, high blood pressure, the condition in which the blood flows with a very high pressure in arteries. Blood above 140 to 90 mmHg is called hypertension. Exact cause are not known, but several factors like stress, obesity, and smoke may cause it. Usually there are no symptoms, though some people may have headache, shortness of breath, and nose bleeding. Preventions: reduce the intake of fats and salts, exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, maintain ideal weight. Keeping the heart healthy. It is very important to keep our heart healthy. Obesity, excessive weight is very common nowadays. It causes many heart problems. Ways to keep the heart healthy: do regular exercise. Regular walking, jogging, and cycling help to keep the body healthy. Play outdoor games. It is good form of exercise. Do not eat oily and fried foods. Avoid junk foods. Do not eat many sweets. Excessive fat and sugar increases the weight. Include fresh fruits and vegetables in your diet. Eat fiber-rich foods like whole grains, cereals, and oats. Reduce the intake of salt. So thank you friends. Meet you tomorrow with a party.